Hello, this is Megan from Easy Access English, and I want to give you a bit of advice about past tenses. First of all, why do we have so many? In English, there are 6 past tenses, 3 of which we consider more commonly used. That's the past simple, past continuous, and present perfect. And 3 that are more complex, which are the present perfect continuous, the past perfect, and the past perfect continuous. So why do we have so many tenses? Well, the reason is that English is a composed language. So there have been influences from Latin, Greek, Germanic, Celtic languages even. And so we have a lot of influences that come together to create the English language. Over time, all of these influences made for us to be able to be really specific when we're talking about different actions in the past and their duration and their relationship to other past actions or their relationship to the present. So in order to be sure about which tense you need when you're speaking about the past, you should really be familiar with the reasons why we use them, right? So a couple of past tenses that people tend to have difficulty with are the present perfect and the past perfect. Historically, the present perfect was used because we are showing possession of an action. And if we think of it this way, the auxiliary verb is to have, right? So we use have, which means to possess in most circumstances, and then an action in a past participle. So it's almost like saying you possessed this action. And this makes sense when we think of the reason that we use the present perfect being that we use it to talk about experiences that we have. The past perfect is used to compare a point in the past to another point in the past. So it gives backstory and context. So when we use had in the past and the past participle, it's like you had that action happen before another one. So once you have it clear in your mind about why you use each tense, how can you remember all of the information? Well, the best way is to get yourself opportunities for exposure to the language. So that could be finding an English-speaking friend or watching things in English on streaming platforms like Netflix, Amazon Prime, YouTube. You've got tons of resources out there. If you're more into podcasts, you could try that out and watching videos like this one. I hope this was helpful. Good luck speaking in the past.